We're roaming in the rainforest. Rainforest sunshine, the dark fades away, and everyone eagerly greets the new day. Fly, squawked the parrot from branches and twigs. We'll scoop them to breakfast on ripe, juicy figs. Jump, chattered the monkeys, or swing if you dare. We'll hang on by our tails and leap through the air. Oh, snooze, yawned the sloths, all ready to doze. We'll nap in the trees as we cling by our toes. Swim, gurgled the pink river dolphins with pride. We nuzzle our calves when we swim side by side. Zip, murmured the butterflies high in the sky. We'll lunch upon nectar as we flutter by. Watch, snapped the caimans with eyes wide. We'll offer our prey an unwelcome surprise. Hide, croaked the bright little poisonous dart frogs. We'll burrow down under the moss-covered logs. March, ordered the leafcutter ants on parade. We'll bury our cuttings in the garden we've made. Spin, hummed the spiders, perfecting a snare. We'll capture our suppers. Would you like to share? Scoot, hissed the gecko, and lizard and snake. We'll skitter and we'll scamper and slither and shake. Crouch, growled the jaguars as dusk closed in. We'll hide until dark when our hunt can begin. Hush, whispered the otters to pups in a heap. We'll cuddle together until we fall asleep. Rainforest sunset, the moon on the rise, and everyone listens to the night's lullabies.